Hey guys, today we are going to make some delicious, refreshing pineapple lemonade. So, let's go. Alright guys, so here's everything we're going to be using to make our delicious, refreshing pineapple lemonade. I am cutting up my rolled lemon, okay? You want to roll it on the counter. That's going to help all the juice to release. We have some water, sugar, ice, and I'm using frozen pineapples because I don't know if you guys know, but if you use frozen fruit in your lemonades, it takes your lemonade to a whole other level. I don't know if it's because like all of the sweetness or the tanginess or the freshness of the fruit is in there before they freeze it and it's like sealed in, but when I say it takes your lemonade to a whole other level, it does just that. So now we're going in with our frozen pineapple and we're going in with our sugar. Now that looks like a lot of sugar, but it's not, guys. It's a third of a cup. If you want to use honey, you can use honey. If you want to use agave, you can use agave, or just adjust the sugar to your liking. I couldn't even get that out for a second, but yeah guys, just adjust it to your liking. So we're going to mash that up until those lemons are completely flat, releasing all of that juice, looking just like this right there. So we're going to go in with our ice and our water, and then we're going to garnish it with a slice of lemon, or if you want to make this to go, we're going to top it off with the water and then give it a good shake, okay? Now, if you want to make this to go, that cap right there, they do sell the straws where you actually punch a hole through the straw and you can take it with you. Now, a lot of people are like, oh, what happened to the little plastic piece once you punch the hole? Guys, it don't cut all the way around. It just punctures a hole into the cap. That way you can put another straw in there if you like, okay? Look at that, guys. So refreshing. You can garnish it with a slice of lemon, like I said, if you want to enjoy it at home, or if you want to take it with you somewhere, get a cap on there, get one of those metal straws that they do sell on Amazon. You get a set of 12 for like $8, okay? So very simple, and you just keep reusing them, just rinse them out. These little straws right here, if you guys are wondering, and like I said, just punch that hole in there and put a plastic straw in there. That's pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give my video a thumbs up, support my channel by subscribing, and until next time, you guys take care. Later.